Hello, we're going to talk about how to use Google Single Sign-On to access many of our online resources. We have it set up that way this year to make it as easy as we can for both teachers and students to access their resources. So the first thing a user would need to do would be sign into their Rockwall ISD G Suite account. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, and once signed into that Rockwall Google account, when you're inside of Google Drive, up on the top right we have what is called sometimes the waffle. This will list all of the Google apps you have available. So when you click that, it has a menu that pops down. You can scroll down further, and there you'll find many of the different resources that you use. For textbooks, those online textbooks have been available based on the information in Skyward since before school started. So you're able to click one time and it logs you directly in. There's no username or password. You just have to select a Google account that you'd like to use. Once you've selected that account, it will authenticate you and bring you in, and you'll have access to your resources on the right hand side. Now, another additional resource we have available online is attached to every single teacher's website. Over on the left hand side, you're going to find a link that says Online Student Resources. By accessing this link here, you'll see all of the resources as well as instructions for accessing these resources. We can see exactly how to log in. We select the button. It tells us a little bit about that resource and what we need to do to sign in. Again, as many of these products as we can, we have set up for Google Single Sign-On. So once I'm signed into my Rockwall Google account, like we just showed a minute ago, you can access that waffle and select the app that's appropriate for the resource. You can also access the Student Apps Dashboard, which is available for all users inside of Rockwall ISD. And on that dashboard, you'll see the different icons that are available for students and teachers to use. When signed into your Rockwall Google account, one click on any of these should sign you in directly into the resource itself. So here, this is also the home page that's set on all Chromebooks. So when students log into Chromebooks, this is the page that loads, which means they're already signed into their Google account. With one click, they can access the resource that they're trying to access. Again, they need to make sure that their Rockwall ISD Google account is the one that's in use. Verifying that will authenticate you directly into that resource. Now, this can be done on a PC like I'm doing here, as well as on Chromebooks and on your own personal devices at home, including phones or any laptop you have available at home. Now here on iOS, if I get to the same website to see my secondary online learning resources, I'm able to access the exact same information that I had available to me previously. So when I scroll down, and I can look at the resources that are available here, and when I select one of those resources, I can go to that and I'll see the same page that I saw on the PC or on the Chromebook. Again, it shows me exactly how to log in, tells me I need to sign into my Google account. When I do this, it's going to ask me to verify which account I want to use. Be sure you use your Rockwall ISD account in order to do that. When you select that account, you'll need to enter your password. Which resource you're trying to access, just like on the PC or Chromebook. Select that resource, authenticate with your Google account, and it will take you into that resource on your mobile device. If you have any questions about students or teachers accessing the resources, please reach out to the curriculum coordinator. Thank you.